This is a feature I've been wanting to do in StreetDeck for quite some time, but only recently had the chance to when the MapPoint team introduced me to the VirtualEarth team. VirtualEarth is Microsoft's new online mapping site that, among other things, offers satellite imagery download. So now if we go into StreetDeck and click the new VirtualEarth button, we can see this in action. There are three different VirtualEarth modes possible, which are shown at the right under that progress bar that shows as you download more maps. So this is the mapping view, and this is the hybrid view. There's also the first one, that's aerial view, that didn't have the road data overlaid on top of it. You can also see that everything that used to work in StreetDeck now works with the VirtualEarth maps overlaid on top of it. So you lose no functionality, you just get to see the roads. So if we go to create a route, this is going to use the actual MapPoint engine, not VirtualEarth. You can actually see they integrate very well though, especially since they both have the same mapping base. Once we start the route, you can see it'll be overlaid right on top of the satellite images downloaded from VirtualEarth. The VirtualEarth integration does require an active internet connection to work well, but since you always have a mapping database local on the computer underneath, you never actually need it to get someplace. It just makes it look a lot cooler. StreetDeck does also cache all images it downloads, so once you drive over an area once, it will be inside the database and you'll never have to download it again. You can see as we change zoom levels though, it does download new images. This is primarily because StreetDeck finds the best resolution VirtualEarth image to go at the current zoom level. Finally, we can use VirtualEarth to search online for points of interest by going to Find Places and using the new Online Search button, which will return all the points of interest from Microsoft's online VirtualEarth database around our current GPS location, which we can then route to. I've been testing this in the car quite a bit with my EVDO cellular connection, and it does keep up fairly well. If you don't do zooming or anything else that will change your tile set, you'll never see an undownloaded tile. It's not quite as good as the broadband connection, but it gets the job done.